Hey everyone, so this is not the way I had planned things. It is almost midnight here where I am. I was actually laying in bed and I was scrolling through my DMs on Instagram, and one of my followers, Jackson Trell, sent me a link to the Oregon Sheriff's Department website, and they posted an official statement in reference to Patty Mayo. So with that being said, the entire video that I filmed that I told you guys about on Instagram that I was doing the last little bits of edit to and getting ready to load up is kind of useless now, to be honest with you, because we now have 100% confirmation from the sheriff's office, who specifically talked to him and confirmed that he is not a law enforcement officer. He is not affiliated with their sheriff's department or anybody in that area. He is an actor, and the people in his videos are paid actors and actresses. The post is right here actually on the department's website. So it's a quick post and everything. I'm going to screenshot it and I'll put it here in the video. I'm going to read it to you real quick, but it's going to sum everything up. So now I'm actually torn as to whether or not I even post the video that I made talking about what I talk about, because again, it's mostly my speculation based on his behavior and the way everything's done. So I'll tell you what, this one's going to be a real short one, and I want to get this out and get out in front of it since this was just posted today. I don't know how many people know about it yet, but I assume it's going to get around pretty quick. But I want to get this out and up. So I'll tell you what, in the comments below, let me know if you want to see the other video that I made or not. It's about 15 minutes long. You could pick and choose some of the parts you want to watch. I do give a shout out to somebody in there who sent me a letter from my P.O. box, so I kind of would like to get that out there. So I probably will still post that. So take it with a grain of salt. Obviously, I'm going to post this one first because this just flat out answers everybody's questions, the whole reason why we've been making these videos. Now, one other thing I want to make it very clear in this video, because I am guaranteed to get some hate from this, because there are a ton of Patty Mayo supporters out there, and they think everybody who's making these videos is just trying to bash him and things like that. And this is not a bashing video, okay? And if you want, watch the other video, because I'll explain what my issues are with his videos and the fact that he's portraying himself as an actual officer, okay? The real quick version of it is that the way he handles himself in these videos is completely unprofessional, is completely against everything that we as police officers should be doing, and it's embarrassing to the men and women of law enforcement who are actual officers and put their lives on the line every day to go out and serve and protect. So that is my issue with that. I actually don't have a problem with his hustle and the entertainment thing, and like I said, watch the other video. I talk about it in a little bit more detail, but I want to put that out because I know some people, even the fact that this is put out there, they're going to disagree with it. They're going to say that this is just us being haters and things like that. And that is actually not the case and not the point of these videos, or why I want the general public to know the fact that he is not a real police officer, because I don't want them to think that is how we really behave in our profession. And unfortunately, too many people believe that just because they see it online. All right, everybody. YouTuber Patty Mayo is not affiliated with Oregon Sheriff's offices. We are aware of the YouTuber Patty Mayo, aka Patrick Tarmy, and his activities in Deschutes County. Mr. Tarmy is not a member of law enforcement nor affiliated in any way with any sheriff's office in Oregon. He is an actor, and the uniform he wears is a costume. Additionally, everyone in his videos are part of his production crew or paid actors/actresses. Deschutes County Sheriff's Office has met with Mr. Tarmy and advised him filming his videos in public locations cannot continue without the proper security permits if needed and road closures. Deschutes County Sheriff's Office has also expressed their concern and strongly encouraged him and other actors not to be in public locations in their costumes. Oregon law is specific in what constitutes impersonating a police officer, and making YouTube videos with paid actors does not violate that law. Oregon State Sheriff's Association and Deschutes County Sheriff's Office will continue to review and monitor his activities in Deschutes County for compliance with Oregon laws. All right, so there you have it, guys. I don't really know how much more black and white you can get, clean cut, simple. Go look at it, all right? This isn't made up. This I physically typed in the Oregon Sheriff's Department website. It went to their official site. This is one of the stories on there. You see the link up there. Feel free, go to it, read it yourself. This is not made up. It's word for word. I just read it to you. So I hope that answers everybody's question once and for all. And that's that. So if you have any comments or questions, definitely feel free to leave them in the comments below. Like I said, let me know if you guys want to see that other video. I'm most likely going to post it maybe in a day or so. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you got the answer you've been yearning for. And we'll see you soon in the next one. You guys take good care of yourself and stay safe out there.